In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show completed tasks in Wrike. When you're working in Wrike, it's really common for tasks to disappear from your current view as soon as they're marked complete. That can be helpful for staying focused on what's still open, but sometimes you need to review what's already been done, confirm that a task was finished, or report on past work. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to quickly bring those completed tasks back into view using Wrike's filters. First, make sure you're in the folder, project, or space where you want to see your tasks. You can do this from the left-hand navigation panel by selecting the relevant area. Once you're looking at your list or board of tasks, we're going to adjust the filters so that completed items are included. At the top of your task view, look for the option labeled Filter. This is usually found in the toolbar above your list or board. Go ahead and click on Filter. When you open this, Wrike shows you different ways to narrow down which tasks are visible. By default, many views are set to show only active or in-progress tasks, which is why completed ones seem to disappear. Inside the filter panel, look for the status or task state options. Here's where you'll control whether completed tasks are shown or hidden. Find the option labeled completed task or completed. Now click on completed task to turn that option on. In some layouts, this might look like checking a box, toggling a switch, or selecting a status from a list. The idea is the same. You're telling Wrike that you want completed tasks to be included in the current view. As soon as you enable the completed task filter, your task list or board will refresh. You should now see all the tasks in that folder or project that have been marked as done, alongside any active tasks if those are still selected. If you only want to see completed tasks, you can deselect other statuses so that the view is focused purely on finished work. If at any point your view becomes cluttered, or you want to switch back to only active tasks, simply return to the filter menu and turn off the completed task option. This flexibility lets you quickly move between a forward-looking view and a historical view, depending on what you need at the moment. And that's it. By clicking on Filter and then enabling completed task, you can easily show completed tasks in Wrike whenever you need them.